Hello, I'm Ehsan. Have you ever noticed that compressed files in Linux usually have a two-parted extension? For example, in Linux, we have files with this extension tar.jz or tar.bz or bz2. Why? In Windows, you don't see these. Okay. The reason is the Unix philosophy. I'm going to explain about it. Jim Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and other earlier developers of Unix had their own cultural and philosophical norms in software development. They had tried to develop software modular and minimal. After a while, they also documented this concept and called it the Unix philosophy. A notable concept in this philosophy, in this principle, is that each program must do uh, only one thing, only one thing, one job, but well. Okay, exactly one job, not more. Let me show you with an example. Okay, first of all, I want to create some files. Touch F1.txt, F2.txt, and F3.txt. Okay. When now I want to compress these files, I use JZip program. JZip and then star. Okay. JZip compress each single file individually. Okay. But if I want to get together all these files in just one compressed file, JZip doesn't help me. Why? Because that philosophy, JZip only can compress files. But if you want to get together all these files, it's another job. Okay. For that job, you should use another program. Okay, let's go. Next, I should decompress these files. Use JZip with switch D star. Okay, now I have the original files again. Now I want to have a single compressed file. So first of all, I use stick these files uh, beside each other. Okay, so I use another program, tar. I use tar create archive file files dot tar star star. Okay, now I have files.tar. Files.tar is F1, F2, F3 that are stick to each other. Okay, now I can use JZip to create to make files that tag compress. JZip files. Okay. Now I have a files that tar.jz. That in this file I have three files in it. But first of all, F1, F2, F3 stick together. Then, when we have just one file, I use JZip to compress it. Maybe you use tar with some switch that it mm, stick a file together and also it compress files too. It is because tar has an tar has a switch that it internally call JZip. Tar didn't tar doesn't compress file by itself, but tar can call JZip, and JZip or BZip or XZip use to compress file after sticking them together. Good luck.